Hello sir, open your code, select all and copy. Now open this link, I sent it already. Now paste your code in the first section here. Now click on make slots. When you click here, some fields appear like that. Title, image 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. Then what's in the include inbox. So you can, if you can change anything you can, otherwise leave it as it is. And for description, here we will add the description, and here is the policies like payment. So if you want to change anything you can change anything here, otherwise leave it as it is. For shipping, for return you can change, otherwise leave it as it is. So first of all, the title, I will copy the title and paste. Now for images, so for images I will copy 5 images. Always copy image address. Remember, copy image address. Copy and paste. For the second image, copy image address and paste. So I will randomly copy. You can add how many you want. Here I have 10 box. If you want 2, 4 or 6, 5, anything you can add, and after uncheck this box. So when you uncheck this box in the template will be not show. I will explain you also. And for third image I will add any other image, copy image address and paste. So for now I will add only 5 images. Just explain you how it's working. So now only 5 images address. Now for chosen, if you want to keep as it as, then leave it, because if you have same details, so do not do anything with it. And for description, you need to copy all the text of description, like this one. I will copy this. Simply copy all of description text, copy, and same as you doing that, paste here. As you know, you can write here text also. And now click on HTML. When you click here, this code is ready for eBay, for a description. So simply select all and copy. Now paste in description section, paste here. Now when everything is done, like title, images, and what is in the box and description, and if you don't want to change policies, then keep it as it is. So now when everything is done, simply click on make code. When you click here, this code is ready for eBay. Simply, so select all, copy and paste in eBay. But if you want to test it how it's look like that, so simply click on preview. When I click here, the preview is ready, the all details same, and images here as you can see. Okay, and now here's the description as you can see, and same details of policies as you can see. Now if you want, if you don't, uncheck this box, so how it will look like in template. So when I click on the preview, as you can see, the 5 boxes are empty because we did not add any image address. So if you don't want, like if you have 5 images, 4 images or 3 images or 7 images, after the empty box will be unchecked, so it's not show in that template. I hope you understand right now. So if I put here like device, I will just put the 777. So when I click on the preview, as you can see, the 7 is already here. So if you want to change any details here, you can do here from here. So I will remove the text, so simply as it is. And now again click on make code. Now code is ready, so select all, copy your code. Now open your eBay. So I have eBay, I have this my listing, so just show you how it's working like that. As you can see, as you know, show all option and then see more option, then click on HTML. When you click here is the code of HTML. So now remove all old code and paste new, and then revise it. When I click here, Now it's revived. So when I click on the view listing, as you can see, the template is working fine. I hope you understand.